Welcome to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz. Today's current affairs. Let's begin. அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவிற்கு வரவேற்கிறோம். இன்றைய நடப்பு நிகழ்வுகள். தொடங்குவோம். Question 1. The road development projects in Vijayawada, funded under the 15th Finance Commission's Air Quality Improvement Program, are primarily aimed at what? 15. The correct answer is improving urban infrastructure and reducing dust pollution. The projects are funded under the 15th Finance Commission's Air Quality Improvement Program and aim to improve urban infrastructure while reducing dust pollution. சரியான பதில். 15. Question 2. Which Indian state recently simplified its property registration language by replacing difficult Persian and Urdu terms with easy local language terms? The correct answer is Punjab. Punjab government simplified property registration language by replacing difficult Persian and Urdu terms with easy Punjabi terms. சரியான பதில். Question 3. The Delhi government recently simplified the school recognition process by replacing which document with a self-certification system? The correct answer is Essentiality Certificate. The Delhi government replaced the Essentiality Certificate with a self-certification system to simplify school recognition. சரியான பதில், Essentiality Certificate. Question 4. What is the recommended minimum number of antenatal care visits for a low-risk pregnant woman according to WHO guidelines? WHO? The correct answer is 8. WHO recommends a minimum of 8 antenatal care contacts for improved maternal and perinatal outcomes for low-risk pregnancies. சரியான பதில், 8. Question 5. Which of the following is a standard routine investigation performed during the first antenatal visit? The correct answer is blood group and Rh typing. Blood group and Rh typing is a routine investigation done early in pregnancy to identify potential Rh incompatibility. சரியான பதில். Question 6. The first stage of labor is characterized by The correct answer is onset of regular uterine contractions to full cervical dilation. The first stage of labor starts with the onset of regular uterine contractions and ends when the cervix is fully dilated 10 centimeters. சரியான பதில். 10. Question 7. Which of the following is considered a cardinal movement of labor? The correct answer is all of the above. Flexion, extension, and internal rotation are all cardinal movements that the fetus undergoes during its passage through the birth canal. சரியான பதில். Question 8. In a complete breech presentation, what is the position of the fetal hips and knees? The correct answer is hips flexed, knees flexed. In a complete breech presentation, both the fetal hips and knees are flexed. சரியான பதில். Question 9. A transverse lie is characterized by the fetal spine being positioned how, relative to the maternal spine? The correct answer is perpendicular. In a transverse lie, the fetal long axis, spine, is perpendicular to the maternal long axis, spine. Sariyana Badil. Question 10. Which type of twin pregnancy carries the highest risk of twin-to-twin transfusion syndrome, TTTS? DTTS? The correct answer is monozygotic, monochorionic diamniotic. Twin-to-twin transfusion syndrome, TTTS, occurs in monochorionic pregnancies where there are shared placental blood vessels, most commonly in monochorionic diamniotic twins. Sariyana Badil. DTTS. Question 11. What is the most common complication associated with multiple pregnancies? The correct answer is preterm labor and delivery. Preterm labor and delivery is the most common complication and leading cause of perinatal morbidity and mortality in multiple pregnancies. Sariyana Badil. Question 12. Iron and folic acid supplementation is crucial during pregnancy primarily to prevent which condition? The correct answer is neural tube defects and anemia. Folic acid prevents neural tube defects, and iron prevents maternal anemia during pregnancy. Sariyana Badil. Question 13. The second stage of labor begins with full cervical dilation and ends with what event? The correct answer is delivery of the baby. The second stage of labor extends from full cervical dilation to the delivery of the baby. Sariyana Badil. Question 14. A persistent occiput posterior position often leads to which of the following during labor? The correct answer is increased risk of caesarean section. Persistent occiput posterior position is associated with prolonged labor, increased pain, and a higher rate of operative delivery, including caesarean section. Sariyana Badil. Question 15. Conjoined twins result from an incomplete division of the zygote in which type of twin pregnancy? The correct answer is monozygotic, monochorionic monoamniotic twins. Conjoined twins develop when a monozygotic, identical, twin pregnancy's embryo fails to completely separate, typically occurring in monochorionic monoamniotic pregnancies due to late division. Sariyana Badil. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz for a new quiz every day. பார்த்ததற்கு நன்றி. தினமும் ஒரு புதிய வினாடி வினாவிற்கு அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் செய்யுங்கள்.